Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're going to look over the Latte Pro milk jug range and absolutely be pouring some latte art too. Now the Latte Pro milk pitchers are a good option for the professional cafe barista as well as the home and office coffee enthusiast. And there are a couple of features that differentiate these jugs from your standard regular jug, and these provide unique benefits for all users. Now the Latte Pro jug comes in 3 different sizes, ranging from the 480ml, which is perfect for 8 ounces, and the 600ml jug, which works great for 1 12-ounce coffee or 2 8 ounces. And there's also a larger 1 litre jug available. They also come in a range of different colours, from stainless steel and the black that you see here, and there's also copper and gold. And you can shop the full range in this link up above. Now these jugs will steam any kind of milk, and the first distinctive difference in these jugs are the integrated stick-on thermometers placed on both sides of the jug. And these are ready to use stickers that change colour as the temperature rises inside the jug. And this will assist you in keeping your steamed milk within a preferred temperature range of 55 to 65 degrees Celsius every time. With a sticker on either side of the jug means it will be on your preferred side, whether you're working as a left-hander or a right-hander. Now these thermometer stickers are also easy to replace, safe from wear and tear, and you can purchase additional stickers in this link up above. And milk temperature is so critical to not only getting those first impressions on sipping a cup of coffee, because no one enjoys a cold cappuccino. But if you ever oversteam your milk to say 70 odd degrees Celsius, you actually end up burning the sugars that are found within milk. And then that will negatively affect the overall flavour of your end cup of coffee too. So from never picking up a jug before to the well-versed milk slinger, you can be consistently hitting the correct temperature ranges every time in using these stickers. And perhaps the extra benefit when using these stickers, say over a stick thermometer, is ultimately you do want to be steaming by touch. And these stickers are not in your face where you're having to visually rely on them, but having them there is great feedback, and I can benchmark what I feel is the right temperature versus what it actually is. Now the second feature is the color indicator plugs that come in several different colors, and you get 3 with each jug. Now I've seen these work impressively well in a cafe setting where you might not have a jug rinser where you're cleaning out the jug every time, and you want to avoid cross-contamination between the crazy amount of different milks that are available right now. I'm talking about the full cream, skim milk, low fat, fat-free, 1%, 2%, organic, lactose-free, coconut, soy, soy light, almond, macadamia nut, oat, rice, cashew, and pea milk. Yeah, pea milk. And these are all relevant milks for diverse allergy, dietary requirements, or personal preferences. So by using these color plugs, you are able to identify which jug is used for which type of milk. And for a home barista, it adds an extra splash of color to your kit. Now typically a cafe is not going to have all those milks I just mentioned, but if you do run out of colors or plugs, they are available in this link up above. So how well do they pour? Well, I've been really happy with them in my tests. And I found the handle is quite open and large, which allows you to get a good grip on it without having your knuckles touch and burning on the side of the jug. There's also quite a large opening to the top, which helps you sing into whilst you're steaming, and also getting a good swirl inside the jug. And they're light to hold, with the spout being nice and fine for that detail in the latte art we all hope to perfect. I'm a little out of practice, but that is all it takes to get good. Now the jugs are not dishwasher safe because of those thermal stickers, but with some soap and water, they'll keep sparkling clean. And that's the Latte Pro milk pitchers for you. With assured milk temperature accuracy means no more milk waste. And these jugs are ready to use, perfect for barista training or a cafe or office looking for consistency with precision. So if you have any questions on the Latte Pro milk jug, throw them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.